Happy New Year, everybody. This is going to be a different kind of video as I'll be talking to you about my portable microphones that I use for recording and making these videos. So for the past 2 years, I've been using my Saramonic Blink 500 transmitter, which is connected to a receiver that's connected to my phone. It's also Blink 500 UC. I'm just reading it at the bottom of my phone here. Like I said, it's going to be a different kind of video. I don't normally do this, but I was gifted something a month ago during my birthday by my wife. I'm going to be unboxing this. I'm going to be trying it out. I'll let you judge it first before I give my full review on it. It is the Hollyland Lark M2. For you, I'm just going to be unboxing this. Together we're going to be unboxing this, and we'll see what's inside and how it operates. Here we go. Okay, so this is going to be a really raw video here. So we're going to open it and we are going to be sorry, there's a glare. I don't know how to get rid of the freaking glare. The Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. So as you can see, it's all new. So we're going to open it up. Oop. Always been a klutz at these. Having a hard time. There you go. Okay, so let's see. I hope we don't destroy any warranties by accidentally cutting it. Oh, no more glare because there's no more plastic. Okay, so let's figure out how to open this. Okay, there's like a seal guarantee that it hasn't been tampered. Because I see here there's like a green marker. Okay, so it's an easy rip kind of thing. Okay, so I think if that little piece of plastic is ripped, then it indicates that it's been opened. Ooh, so it just slides. Oh, nice. Okay, there's a little sleeve in here. Well, before I check what's in here, so here it is. Okay, before I open this, let's look what's inside the sleeve first. Okay. We are here for you. Okay, forget the glare. Okay. Okay, let's pull it all out. Okay. I really like it when manufacturers like give these little cute stickers. I know they're trying to be cute and, I'm sure they're looking forward to like content creators like doing unboxing like this one. So we are here. Let's open this first. We are here for you. And now, did they really have to say that? An after sales card? They didn't really have to. Quick guide for after sales service. Please follow these steps. Oops, sorry, you're not reading it. Please follow these steps for support and service. So go to the website, then support will get in touch, and then after sales service. So this is the website. Hollyland-tech.com. Okay. User group, okay. Let's get in touch. Thank you. Well, thank you. Okay. See, I don't know. As cute as these stickers are they like the mascots for Hollyland? Or it's just them trying to be cute? See, like I said, I'm just calling it as I see it. I don't know what these are for yet. Maybe later on as we open more stuff in there. So the quick guide. Okay, it's showing like how to connect it and stuff. What's inside? Oh, okay, product interview. So I guess this little thing connects to the bottom of your phone. So this is what it comes in. So that the casing and then these things. The TX1, TX2, I don't know what they are for. Obviously the charging case and the the receiver, the one in the center. Okay, I'm just gonna review this further in detail later. But yeah, so I'm seeing it. You connect the receiver to the bottom of your phone, just like this Blink 500 receiver that I'm using right now. So yeah, good stuff. More, what is this? Like a warranty? I don't know what it is. I'm an ignoramus. I don't know what this is. Okay, what's this last one? Oh, what is this? Okay, the packing list. It comes with, so it says, It comes with a charging case, the receiver, transmitter, two transmitters. Interesting. A cable, a charging cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a clip magnet, 4 of them. Necklace silicone case 2. Okay, a furry windshield. I've never had one of those. Transmitter sticker. I guess we just looked at it a while ago. Drawstring bag. I don't think a bag will fit in this box. Anyways, too early to tell. And then obviously all of the papers here. Okay, so at least they have like a list of what this box comes with. Okay, the big reveal. It's so slippery. I can't even. I just ruined it. Great. Let me just. Oh, okay. No wonder I could have like pulled it off because it comes like packed in there. Okay, I have to like. Okay, so it's the tub it's in. Okay, before I look what's in there, let me just put that aside. Let's open it. I can't open it. Why can't I open it? Why can't I? Where, do I rip it open? Oh, okay, I do. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I rip it open. Another rip. Okay, done. So here it is. Hollyland. Okay, you just flop it open. Oh. Wow, the moment I open it, this light turns on. So basically it just indicates your charge level. So this is nice that I get to see like the charge on the case. Anyways, let's see what's inside. So obviously there's the receiver that you connect to the bottom of your phone. What's this yellow button? I don't know what that does. Let's investigate. Okay, I don't know all of this gibberish here. Okay, forget it. Oh, it magnetically snaps back in. Whoa, that's cool. Ah, at least I know it won't like fall off, right? It won't, because it magnetically connects to the case. That is nice. Both of my earbuds don't have this feature, by the way. Okay, let's look at the receivers. I'm sorry, receivers? No, these are not the receivers. These are the transmitters. I know that you pull this thing off. Is this like a light indicator? I don't know how it works. It's another one. Oh, I think, just in case you have like, you're doing an interview, so at least you have 2 transmitters. I have no idea how to, I don't want to, wait, it's moving. Oh, it's a really strong magnet. Hot diggity. Whoa. Wow, that is a strong magnet. I think this yellow button turns it on. Let's try it. Is it lighting? What's happening? Wait, I'm seeing a little light over there, a blue light. Okay, I see a blue light. But obviously I don't think it's gonna turn on because it's not connected anywhere. Is the light turning on? No, it's not. But this blue thing is turning on, so I don't know what's happening. Can I turn it off? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I think that's the case. Let me check. Does this also turn on? No, it doesn't. Oh, so that blue button turns on. Okay. Strange that the light doesn't turn on at the bottom. Okay, forget it. Obviously, there are certain things I don't know about this yet that I'll figure out eventually. Okay, you can't press it. It's a nice finish. It's pretty bulky though, but it looks nice. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay. What do we have here? It's a little bag. It looks like a little potion bag. Okay, let's open it. What are these? Okay. Oh, it's the fuzzy thing that you put on. Yeah, it's the fuzzy thing. Basically, it acts like a pop filter for microphones. So when you have this on, you can just put it on here. Yeah, so if you basically, I can't really fit it right now, and I don't want to make this video too long. So if you fit it in, so it comes like that. So it acts like your pop filter for microphones. So there's another one. There are two of them for both transmitters. What's this one? Oh, this is like, oh, it's like a necklace. It's the necklace casing. Okay. How is it an... Wow, it's a really strong magnet. Probably my next video, I'm going to be showing you how it all works. And obviously that will be shorter than this current video. I think, I don't know yet, I think this necklace carries this, just in case you don't want to bring the case, if I'm not mistaken. See, I think that's how it works. It's kind of scary. Oh no, it's not scary because it's a really strong magnet. I'm not joking here. Like, just to demonstrate, did you see that? That was like far off. And it'll take like a lot of effort like to yank it off this necklace. Look at that. I think that was like a good two inches away. Look at that. 2 inches. Yep. So I think, just in case you don't want to bring the case, or you just want to wear your necklace, I think that's how it operates. And I know some of you who are like watching this video right now who have like used this device. I know to you I'm like sounding like an idiot here. But then again, this is like my honest review of the honest unboxing, not review, honest unboxing of the Hollyland thingy. Okay, the charging cable. What else do we got here? And we have a rabbit. Yeah, we have a rabbit. There's a certain compartment I find. Why is there a, like, there's a compartment that separates from the bigger one. You can just like, it's a divider so that you can like separate the things that you can put in the potion bag. Probably, like if I wanted to put like the two furry windshield, as the sheet says, furry windshield, I think it's just a pop filter. You can just put it over here and then separate your charging cable. Let's say you want to put the necklace there, and just in case you have this on with you, you can just put it also here. At least they're all separated now, so you know where, which is whatever's wherever, right? And then just bring it with you. So there you go, the unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2. M2, right. So I'll make another video giving you my review of this portable recorder. So there's the sticker, so there's the thing, so you just put it, I think if you want to put it over, you can, just in case, if you just don't want to see this thing. But then again, it feels like a toy if you have the sticker on it, just my opinion. But yeah, I think it gives that premium, knowing what it is that you have on your shirt. I think that's way better than putting a sticker on it, in my opinion. So you remove the magnet, and you put it there, and then put the magnet on the other end of the shirt. And I think it's gonna look better than having this clipped on, because I clipped this on. It's a clip. So I clip this on. So the problem with this, just so you know, when I clip this, it kind of droops forward like that. It depends on the kind of shirt. If it's like a really soft shirt, it'll droop all the way down like this. Luckily, this shirt is a little sturdier, so it just hangs in there. But with this, it looks pretty nicer. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I'll make another video of my review of the Hollyland Lark M2. Thanks for watching.